How to log out Instagram account from other devices. Hello everyone, it's Miss Mal here to guide you through the way, and to know how to do this, just watch this video till the very end. To do that, first of all, make sure that you have installed your Instagram account to its latest version, because it might show you problem if you haven't updated it to its latest version. So after you have installed to its latest version, just open your Instagram account. If you open your Instagram account, then you will see an interface like this. On the down right side, you can simply tap on your profile. On the top right side, tap on the true vertical line. Now just tap on Account Center. After that, just scroll down and down. And now what you should do is tap on password and security. So the first thing that you can do is change your password. If you change your password, then the other devices that you are logged in will be logged out. And to again log in, they should tap the password, which is not available in that device. So that is the one option how you can do that. And the next option, how you can see in which devices the account is logged in and you want to remove it, then just tap on where you are logged in. After that, tap on your profile. And after that, you will see the devices that you're logged in. Simply tap on here and you can simply log out the devices if you're not interested on, if you want to delete it. So just like this, you will delete the devices that you want to delete. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe our channel. If you have any queries or suggestions, then please do comment on the comment section as well. That's it for today. See you on the next video. Thank you.